Imagine, if you will, a world brimming with animals, creatures of breathtaking beauty, some familiar, others new, with coats of vibrant colors, and abilities we only dreamed of, perhaps a bird that sings new songs, or a fish that glows in the deep. These are not creatures born solely of nature. No, these are different. They are shaped by human ingenuity, guided by intelligent computers, artificial intelligence or AI, a powerful new force on our planet. This AI can learn, and it can help create, working alongside our scientists. This might sound like a tale from the future, a story from a distant time, but the truth is, this future is drawing near. The science of genetics is advancing, at an astonishing pace every single day. We are learning the secrets of DNA, the very blueprint of life itself, and AI is helping us understand it. What marvels await us then? In this new age of discovery, animals that are stronger, healthier, perhaps even helping us heal our world. But with such power comes great questions. Questions of responsibility and of care. We must tread carefully on this new path, a path into tomorrow's extraordinary arc. The Code of Life, DNA. It is a vast and intricate library filled with countless volumes of information, each gene a word, a sentence, telling the story of an organism, how it will grow, what it will be. For centuries, much of this was a mystery, a beautiful, complex, and hidden language. Now artificial intelligence is our guide, a digital codebreaker of sorts. It can read this genetic language, far faster than any human mind. AI sifts through mountains of data, searching for patterns, for connections. It sees the subtle links between genes, and the traits they ultimately produce. With this remarkable ability, AI can predict. It can look at an animal's genes, and foresee its future characteristics, its potential health, its resilience, perhaps even aspects of its behavior. This predictive power is truly transformative. It offers us a glimpse into what could be, before a creature is even born. This deep understanding is crucial. It is the very first step we must take, before we can even consider making changes. AI helps us map the genetic landscape. It shows us the possibilities and the pitfalls. This knowledge is essential for progress, as we begin to think about shaping the future of the animal kingdom. In laboratories around the world, scientists now possess remarkable tools that allow them to edit genes. Almost like a tiny, precise scalpel, or a meticulous pair of scissors, they can go into the DNA and make specific, targeted changes. This is the frontier of genetic science. One of the most famous of these tools is known as CRISPR. It has truly revolutionized genetics. CRISPR can find a specific gene within a vast stretch of DNA, and then it can alter it, adding a new instruction or removing an old one. Its precision is quite astounding. Now, artificial intelligence enhances CRISPR. It makes this powerful tool even smarter. AI algorithms can help design the edits, ensuring they are accurate and effective. AI can predict potential off-target effects, where the genetic scissors might cut in the wrong place by mistake. This guidance is incredibly valuable. By working together, AI and CRISPR offer unprecedented control over genetics. This reduces the risk of errors. It makes the process of gene editing safer and much more reliable. The potential to correct genetic diseases, or to enhance desirable traits in animals, becomes more achievable than ever before. Section 4. A Triumph and a Tremor. The Tale of the Disease-Resistant Cattle. Let us consider an example, a story of cattle, vital for so many. These animals can suffer from diseases, some of which are devastating, causing great loss and hardship. But AI offered a glimmer of hope, a new way to protect these herds and improve their well-being. Scientists, using AI's analytical power, identified genes linked to disease susceptibility. Then, with the CRISPR tool, guided by AI's precision, they carefully edited the cattle's genes. The result? Animals born resistant to a specific harmful illness. A remarkable success for agriculture. This is indeed a triumph of science. Healthier animals, more sustainable farming, but we must also pause and reflect. What happens if these modified genes were to spread into wild populations, perhaps to their distant wild relatives? The consequences could be unintended and potentially disruptive to ecosystems. So, with every success, there is a tremor, a reminder of the delicate balance of nature. Progress in genetics brings with it a profound responsibility to consider the wider impact on our planet. We must proceed with caution and wisdom, ensuring our innovations benefit all and harm none in the natural world. Section 5. Beyond the Horizon. AI's expanding role in animal evolution. The journey with AI and animal genetics is truly only just beginning. The horizon is vast with possibilities. Imagine AI helping us to conserve our planet's most endangered species by understanding their genetic diversity and helping them adapt to changing worlds. This could be a lifeline for many. We might also use AI to help animals become more resilient, resilient to the challenges of climate change, such as rising temperatures or new diseases. AI could identify genetic traits that allow certain individuals to thrive, and this knowledge could help protect entire populations from future threats. Think too of our domestic animals, livestock that could require fewer resources, less water or less feed, making farming more sustainable. Or our beloved companion animals, pets that could be freed from painful inherited genetic illnesses, leading longer, healthier, happier lives. Beyond these practical applications, AI could deepen our very understanding of the fundamental process of evolution, how life changes and adapts over time. By analyzing vast genetic data sets, AI might reveal secrets of evolution that have long remained hidden from us, offering new insights into life's journey. Section 6. Guardians of the Genome, our ethical compass in an age of AI. This newfound power is truly immense, the ability to alter the very fabric of life, to change the genetic code of animals. It is a responsibility we must not take lightly. As we stand at this threshold, we must pause and ask ourselves some very profound and difficult questions about the path we choose to follow. Is it always right to change an animal, even if it is for our own benefit, or what we perceive as their benefit? Where do we draw the ethical line? What traits are acceptable to modify? And which alterations go too far? These are not simple questions to answer. They require deep thought and discussion. Who should make these crucial decisions? Scientists, governments, or all of us? And who bears the responsibility if our interventions have unintended consequences? If things go unexpectedly wrong, the welfare of the animals must be paramount, their intrinsic value respected always. We must be their careful guardians. Therefore, open and honest conversations are vital. These discussions must involve everyone: scientists, ethicists, farmers, the public, people from all walks of life. Together, we must develop guidelines and ethical frameworks to steer this technology, ensuring it is used wisely and for good, with respect for all living beings. Section 7. The Unfolding Tapestry, Weaving Wisdom into Genetic Progress. Artificial intelligence in animal genetics is like a bright, new thread being woven into the ancient tapestry of life, a tapestry rich with diversity and wonder. This thread has the potential to add incredible new patterns, new strengths, and new beauty if handled with skill and with care. It offers us truly remarkable possibilities for improving animal health and welfare, for conserving precious biodiversity, for deepening our understanding of nature, and for helping us live more sustainably on this shared planet of ours. The promise is indeed great, a source of excitement and of hope. But like any powerful instrument, this technology must be wielded with the utmost care and profound respect, with foresight to anticipate consequences, and with humility in the face of nature's complexity. We are still learning so much about the intricate web of life and the long-term effects of our actions. The future of the animal kingdom, and indeed our own future alongside it, depends greatly on the choices we make today. Let us choose to weave this new thread with wisdom, with compassion, and with responsibility, ensuring that progress serves not just us, but all life on Earth, for generations yet to come.